Along the banks of the Ohio River sits Huntington, West Virginia, a vibrant community of 50,000 that makes up the greater tri-state area, along with Ashland, Kentucky, and Ironton, Ohio. Huntington has a rich history in river and rail and has evolved into an energetic city anchored by healthcare, finance, retail, education, service, and tourism industries. Nestled in the fabric of the community sits Mackenzie, a fine furniture manufacturer where local craftsmen and women employ centuries-old woodworking and joinery techniques to construct elegant creations that promise both enduring value and sophisticated style. Each piece begins as a concept developed through collaborations of Mackenzie staff, craftsmen, and professional furniture designers. After development of individual cut sheets and CAD drawings to perfect the design, the product is sent to the rough mill for production. Each piece is made to order with impeccable attention to detail, including hand-selecting each board from an inventory of wild black cherry, a species native to America's abundant Appalachian forests. Mackenzie appreciates nature's blemishes that do not affect the structural integrity of the product. In fact, small imperfections that were graded into the boards, such as small splits and knots, become attributes rather than flaws. The process begins with the rough mill, where the lumber is cut lengthwise to a specified width, and a straight, true edge is formed on each side of each board. The boards are then cut to the appropriate length according to its intended use. After ripping and chopping within the rough mill, some of the boards go to an assembly cart, while others are sent to be edge glued to form tabletops or other flat surfaces. After gluing, the boards are placed in clamps within a glue wheel, where they are tightened down and left overnight to allow the glue to cure and form a stable top. A unique advantage of Mackenzie manufacturing operations centers upon its CNC lathe, which is used to turn table legs, pedestals, small posts, and other items. Utilizing a CAD, or computer-aided drawing, the operator can create a multitude of designs, allowing Mackenzie to both engage the creativity of its customers both with respect to design aesthetic and actual need in some cases. Once the parts are cut, glued, and turned by the lathe, they are sent to the building department, where a craftsman will begin to shape the raw parts into those specific to that piece of furniture and assemble them in the process. The term bench-made is used to describe this process, and in Mackenzie facility, the description is more than just a marketing ploy. One of Mackenzie hallmarks within the furniture industry is their distinctive hand-planed tabletops, a tried-and-true 18th century English woodshop technique. Hand-planing tabletops and other parts works to both level the wood as well as accentuates the craftsmanship through chatter and tear out of the softer areas of the grain. Being a true bench-made furniture manufacturer though, if the customer wants a smooth finish, this process is skipped. After each component is built, all parts are thoroughly hand-sanded to prep for a 13-step proprietary finishing process. During that process, each part is finished separately, including drawers, shelves, and dust covers. Just before hardware is applied, the piece is assembled, hand-waxed, and staged. The piece is then carefully packaged and sealed with a detailed shipping label for customers all across the country. Mackenzie mission is to make people's homes more comfortable with products that are heirloom in nature. These furnishings serve generations, not just a few years. To learn more, visit MackenzieDow.com or stop by their design studio located on the first floor of Marshall University's Visual Arts Center in Huntington, or their shop in the Art Colony at the Greenbrier in White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia.